Hey everyone, this is AJ here from Latoonie. So I wanted to actually show the Macho Man up close so everyone can take a look. I got a lot of questions. Hey, how would the rotation work and all that? So obviously it's gonna rotate from the waist. Let's rotate this guy. You can see. Let me slowly do it. Actually, I didn't really do a decent enough job. Let me bring it up close so you can actually see some of the detail work up on the biceps, forearms as well, how the Macho Man will be from his pose standpoint. Um, and let's rotate this guy. That's how the back basically will look like. And we got the full, you know, the mega powers, headband as well going on over there. Let me just reverse it so we can take a look. So we got Macho Man. There was a question about why didn't we put Mega Powered SWWE trademark. That's one of the reason. And from the shoes on the angle from the side, so the shoes, we got the two stars going on, obviously very elegant, like shoes from the front. So again, I'll be covering more detail over the next, this week sometime I'll be releasing a YouTube video and we'll kind of go through the details along with the pricing and how everything will work from pricing standpoint and when will actually be shipping. This is AJ signing off. Just wanted to present this out and looking forward to any feedback. If anyone has any questions, they can email me directly at aj@latoonie.com, or you can also reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook, multiple platforms, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you all. Have a good Sunday.